Welcome DeSoto Eagles to Next Generation's Gear Up YouTube channel. My name is Jerice Johnson and I'm the Project Director for Next Generation Gear Up, also known as NXT Gen. Next Generation Gear Up is a grant-funded program for the classes of 2024 and 2025. We follow our cohort of students from now through the first year after high school. Our focus is on college and career readiness, equipping teachers with resources and professional development, aiding families with tools like financial literacy and parent workshops, and instilling in students the confidence and skills needed to pursue post-secondary options. What does all of that mean? We are here to supplement the district with activities and programs to enhance student success. Gear Up is an acronym that stands for Gaining Early Awareness and Readiness for Undergraduate Programs. It is our hope that you tune into this channel for updates, events, and Next Gen information. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Next Gen Gear Up. We look forward to a great school year. Thank you.